I got it on a calendar on accident. I made a mess. That was going to be a huge bubble though. Guys, isn't that cool? And then the next song is Die From a Broken Heart. This is a big boy. Ow. Poked me. And oh my honey, you get a red thing. Your favorite dress. You can't tell me stay for 2 days this weekend. Guys, oh dang it. Guys. Oh yes. I just totally destroyed it. Ugh. And we're gonna move to maybe a different place. You asked Daddy if he's got time to come and look at my phone. Keep that bleep, 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 bleep. Please don't stay. Remember about this. Guys, this is a real workout. Guys, that was almost a big bubble. Let me see if it forks. Okay, guys. We might have to have some more slime in here. I don't think it's a 14 slime. No, it's not a 14 slime. The next song is Riley Green, I Wish Grandpa's Never Died song. Yeah, there's that. Just kissing love never gave back down.